Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna guide you how to add accounts in MKT UID. So first you need to create a category. You can put the name in and you click the add. After that you can go to add account. You can paste an account in and choose like the category you want to save and select the format you want to, like with the format of the accounts. First you can choose the UID and password. Next step is gonna be the private key, so it's gonna be 2FA code, and just can click add. From now you can log in with browser, so the software can auto log in with like to the Facebook account. It will be auto fill in with the UID and password and log into the accounts for you, so you don't have to do anything. After it finishes login into the accounts, you can turn the accounts off and start to using the software. So if you have any question about the software, you can ask me in Telegram or WhatsApp. I will guide you, or I will install the software for you. Thank you very much and see you again.